Hi guys, Tanya's here, and I've got a question. Is there anything that you really like drinking or eating, but you know it's not that good for you and you shouldn't have it? For example, I really love coffee and I can drink too much of it sometimes. And I know I should cut down, but it's hard. So if I say I should cut down on my coffee, does it mean I should drink more of it or less? It means I should drink less of it, okay? So this phrasal verb, to cut down on something, means to reduce an amount of something. We use this phrasal verb a lot, especially when we talk about food or drinks.
I was thinking we could cut down on your beer.
Sheena, what about you? Were you able to cut down on your number of random sexual encounters during the week?
Look, I really just need to cut down on my drinking and...
Let's give you some more examples. My doctor told me I need to cut down on eating fast food in order to improve my health. If you want to lose weight, you should cut down on fatty foods. I've always smoked and I'm trying to cut down now. That's your lesson for today, guys. So is there anything you need to cut down on? Let me know in the comments below.